Small, weak forearms? That's incomplete training. 8 exercises hit every forearm muscle. Flexors, extensors, brachioradialis. Let's build forearms that look powerful and grip like a vice. Most people only do wrist curls. That's 20% of your forearms. You're missing flexors from multiple angles, extensors, and brachioradialis. I'm showing you 8 exercises that cover everything. First 4 target 8 exercises. This is why forearms won't grow with just wrist curls. This is why forearms won't grow with just wrist curls. You're now hitting muscles most people never train. Final 2 exercises complete the picture. 8 exercises, complete forearm development. Flexors, extensors, brachioradialis, all covered. Train these 2 to 3 times per week, progressive overload. Your forearms will finally grow. If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more complete muscle group breakdowns. Next video, complete calf training.